Zombie apocalypse, a plot that has inspired countless movies, games, and books, always seeming unreal, like something that can only exist in a fictional world. But what if we pull back the curtain a bit and look at scientific facts that make such a scenario more plausible than we might think? From parasites controlling wills to viruses altering behavior, nature has ways that can chill us to the bone. Watch this video until the end, and I guarantee you'll be so intrigued that you won't be able to resist leaving a comment. Today, we'll explore real examples from animal biology and medicine that demonstrate how the mind can be controlled, behavior can be altered, and living creatures can be transformed into something entirely different. Could this happen to humans? And should we be worried? Stick with us to find out just how close a zombie apocalypse might be to reality. Let's start with the basics. What is a virus? Surprisingly, viruses are not considered truly alive. They can't feed, reproduce, or even move on their own. Without a host cell, they're just inert particles. But when they find the right cell, they come to life and seize control, embedding their DNA or RNA into cellular structures and turning the cell into a virus-producing factory. At a molecular level, they're parasites, transforming our bodies into virus factories. Not alive, not dead, but their behavior resembles zombies, seizing our cells to survive and spread. The concept of an organism controlling its host isn't just science fiction. Take the cordyceps fungus, for example. This fungus infects insects, especially ants, and hijacks their nervous systems. Under its influence, ants become zombies, leaving their colonies to climb high on plants, where they latch on and die. The fungus then sprouts from their bodies, spreading its spores. This eerie mind control mechanism inspired the game The Last of Us, where fungus-infected humans lose their sanity and become aggressive, zombie-like beings. Cordyceps isn't alone. Many parasites have evolved to manipulate their host's behavior to survive. The parasitic worm Leucochloridium, for instance, infects snails and compels them to crawl toward light to attract predator birds, which then eat the snails and spread the parasite. Another example, Toxoplasma gondii, affects rodents, removing their fear of cats, thus making them easy prey and allowing the parasite to pass to the next host. In the natural world, mind control among hosts is common, making the concept of a virus or parasite manipulating humans less far-fetched. Recent events highlight that some diseases can cause disturbing symptoms. Chronic wasting disease, often called zombie deer disease, affects deer populations in North America. Infected animals lose motor control, become emaciated, disoriented, and display strange behavior, reminiscent of zombies. While it hasn't spread to humans, experts caution that cross-species transmission is a possibility. One of the most frightening viruses, with similarities to a zombie virus, is rabies. Spread through bites, it infiltrates the brain and causes intense behavioral changes. The infected become highly aggressive, restless, experience hallucinations, and suffer bouts of uncontrollable drooling. It pushes the host into aggression, the chance of transmission through biting. If rabies were to mutate to speed up symptoms and spread more easily, it could create a scenario strikingly similar to a zombie outbreak. So, could a zombie virus actually emerge? When we combine knowledge of parasites, viruses, and recent discoveries, it becomes evident that this scenario isn't purely fiction. Modern labs explore genetic modifications, including new vaccine developments. Sometimes experiments take unforeseen turns, and some believe that COVID-19 may have stemmed from an uncontrolled study. If rabies or another virus undergoes significant mutations or spreads to humans, the effects could be unpredictable. If a zombie epidemic were to happen, it likely wouldn't resemble what we see in movies. We wouldn't face slow, decaying corpses. Instead, it could be aggressive, infected individuals with a loss of sanity, but physical strength intact, making them more dangerous than any cinematic zombie. With a mutated rabies-like virus, a zombie apocalypse could be a frighteningly real possibility, not just on screen, but in our world. Can you picture it actually happening? Now imagine, you're somewhere in Europe, no car, and you've just learned the unthinkable truth. Alone, locked inside your apartment. What would you do next?
What a noise. Where's my phone? Here it is. Hello, buddy. Oh, what the shit. Minute. Come on. Let's go. What's that? Fuck, come on. It was not a dream. Fuck. The news was right. It was true. What's I supposed to do next? Internet know everything. I should ask my followers what to do next. Guys, please comment what I should do next. I'll make a follow-up based on the best comment. Somebody help me. I don't know. Maybe I should find some weapon or first aid or something.